Let's start learning the tongue twisters to practice your English language skills. A tongue twister is a sequence of words or sounds that are difficult to pronounce properly and correctly. How to do it? Repeat each tongue twister 3 times as fast as possible without making a mistake. Are you ready? Let's go! Black background, brown background. Let's do a bit slower. Black background, brown background. Read it 3 times. Black background, brown background. Black background, brown background. Black background, brown background. For a bit of fun, let's do it faster.
Background, brown background. Background, brown background.
Blue, blue bird. 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 Faster. Blue, blue bird, blue, blue bird, blue, blue bird. Fresh fried fish. 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 Now a bit of fun. Fresh fried fish, fresh fried fish, fresh fried fish. Specific, Pacific. Specific, Pacific. Specific, Pacific. Specific, Pacific. Specific, Pacific. Faster. Specific, Pacific. Specific, Pacific. Now you learned tongue twisters. Let's have some fun. Practice with us. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.